This is Sevillanas. I'm going to show you facing the wall so you can see the entire choreography. There are 5 parts. Ben is going to play live for us, and he's going to play it very, very slow. So listen to this. I'll dance. So I will show you now the second version with arms. Facing the wall. Next section, I'm going to show you just the feet break it down so you can have all of the footwork, the 5 sections. There are 5 Sevillana steps. So the Sevillana step starts to the left side. We do this 5 times. 1, this is the second time, 3rd time, 4th, the last one. Next section is called PASADA. We do a pass, step 3 times, then 1 Sevillana step. Now we have what I call kill the spider. It's pas de bourrée, right and left 4 times. Left, right, and hold 2 counts. Right, left, hold 2 counts. Left, right, hold 2 counts. Last one, hold. We do a pasada and a sevillana. Step left, right, kick left. With the left foot, walk around yourself in a circle. 3 steps. Step, step, step for the sevillana step. Right. Just one of them. Now this is the tricky part. We have 4 pasadas in a row. Facing front, facing back, facing front, facing back. So we start with the left foot. Left, right, left, Take 3 steps. Now you're facing the opposite wall. Step in front, cross in front, open second, brush, turn to your left shoulder, step, step, step. And from here, kick, step, step, step. And our very last one, step in front, open, kick, step and pivot. Do 1 turn around yourself and a pose. And that is the first copla of the Sevillanas.